after seeing me wallow around the river, you know this is where we left off. So let's get rolling on the new video. And thanks and welcome back. Okay, time for a tour of campsite number 4. As you can see, it's quite sloped this way. Had to do some special things here to keep the trailer level. And also the sun, you can see, just kind of goes straight across this way in front of this site. So now I'm starting to get some shade from this tree, but all day long I had none. Either way, got all my tarps up here. Looks like a hobo camp, but it's all good. Hey, and check this trick out. That's how I level it. Good old hillbilly magic right there. All right, so walking into our abode here. There we are. Got a lantern, we've got a cook set up, got a picnic table under here, a chair, my ice chest. And it just leads right in here. Right into my trailer. Yes, indeed. Perfect. So what's for lunch? Got some grapes, some crackers, some cheese, and leftover bacon. So the sun's finally reached the other side of the trees here, so I went ahead and took down this tarp. Got my view back. Now I'm just gonna relax until it starts getting dark. Then I'll start a fire, cook some steak.
This osprey keeps flying around over here, and this stupid vulture keeps running him off. There's the osprey right there. I got him going into the water. Did he get a fish? Oh, he went the other way. He must have got it because he just went to that tree over there.
Snack time. What do we got? Check it out. Got some Domino's ranch dressing. Yeah. Snacking up, buddy. I can't open it. That's okay. Here in the wild, we carry knives. Looks like that one needs to be cleaned off. Doesn't open right. There we go. Just took a healthy snack and made it unhealthy. Oh yeah. Well, my face is either really dirty or I got quite a suntan. Either case. Vino and carrots and my appetizer for my steak. Still too hot to make a fire. Too hot to fish. Too cold at home. It is probably like 20 degrees colder at home. All right. This is the last of my super fire matches.
Yeah, we late, but this shit's fantastic. For the ages, feels like it's magic. Hear the clock been haunting my dreams. It's been ticking for hours, ticking for hours.
Yeah, I feel so old. Gotta waste no time, gotta wait in line, and the weather's so cold. Should've brought my coat at the end of the line, on my shit untold. Messed up a lot, used to be waiting for something or someone to give me my spot. God only show you the way, it's all up to the plan and the paper and people you brought. I know what I thought, I hope that they notice and give us a shot. I swear me team, been lying a lot, might give us away. And what is the cost? The truth on my face, I think that we caught. I hear what you say, but jealousy rots the brain, the fame, the game. I know you were fan.
Can't get too big a fire going because the trailer is right there. Okay, so we'll let that go for a little while. Keep an eye on it, make sure I don't burn my trailer down. Should be all right. All right, Gen X talk, real stuff. One Gen X to others. So like, if you didn't raise your kids as a Gen Xer, like you were raised, like give them a key to the house at a young age, make them responsible for chores. If you didn't expect them to do a certain amount of things outside and make those activities available for them, like take them camping, take them to the park, take them whatever your childhood thing was, riding bikes on the street, whatever, riding skateboards, bicycles, who knows, whatever. If you didn't take the time to teach your kids, then hey, quit pointing the finger at that younger generation. Start looking in the mirror. You're the one that raised them. All right, so here's what we got going. We're kind of running thin on seasonings here, so what we're gonna do is let's put some pepper. A little bit of garlic salt here. See, nothing coming out of there. Well, okay, so maybe we don't get no garlic salt. And nothing else sounds good. So let's go ahead and move on here to our barbecue sauce. And then I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce to that. For lack of Worcestershire sauce, you know, that's what we're working with here. Kind of tricky how to open these things these days, eh? All right, so we'll flip that over and we'll do it again. All right, let's get them on the fire. And along with my steak, having some chicken flavored rice. Just instant stuff, nothing special. All right, so here's dinner. A couple of petite sirloins and some chicken flavored rice. Okay, in case you're wondering about the seasoning, it's just pretty good. For a quick steak, it doesn't taste like soy sauce. It just tastes like I mixed barbecue sauce and Worcestershire together with pepper. Just like if I did it at home. Pretty good. All right, so I got all my tarps down now so I can set it for some stargazing. Last night I saw a meteor shower. It's pretty awesome. It was like maybe 12 to 2 dozen. And it was so far out in the distance, it was pretty cool. But I'm probably gonna end up putting away that thing there, my kitchen, because I don't plan on cooking anything tomorrow. I'm just waiting for my rice to cool so I can put the whole pot and everything into the ice chest, and I'll put the rest away. Into the camper. I was able to use my pole now, make it higher. Because of this slope right here, I had to duck underneath it. So with this up like that, I'll actually be able to stand up vertically in there. That'd be kind of nice. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this one guy line up just so my lantern can hang up here. And then my clothesline over here can stay too. Well, it's the final day. I just got up, went over to the bathroom and got myself together. Oh, look what I found too by the bathroom. Some blackberries that were growing over there. Picked a handful of them for breakfast, and I don't know, I get myself together. I'll get moving around, see what's gonna go on today. These are the first blackberries I've had yet this year. They're good. A lot of them are just starting to bloom, or ripen rather, not bloom, but. A few of them are pretty sour, but there's some big juicy ones in there, nice and sweet. I love blackberries. It seems like every year right around my birthday is when they come out, so I guess it's meant to be. At least in my area. I know in other places they come out sooner, but we don't get enough sun for them to go through their whole process until about now. You know, blackberries will grow as an ivy basically, and then you'll see them, they'll burst out these flowers in the spring, and everywhere those white flowers are will become a berry, and then they grow and they come midsummer, and they need a lot of sun to get there. And luckily this year we've had a lot of water in between, so the berry crop this year is going to be pretty amazing. But these are the first ones I've gotten so far. Well, this trip hasn't been the biggest adventure. Not near the adventure I was hoping for. But I have been able to relax a lot. Just kick back, a lot of camp life. I haven't done that in a long time, just straight camping, just kicking back around camp and figuring out what to do here and whatnot. It's always been some kind of agenda for me, either going somewhere on my boat, doing a specific task and everything. This was kind of nice, just being able to do whatever, not have a plan. It'd been more fun to go on a big old adventure and head down the river and do the rapids and all that, and I was pretty worked up to go do that. But hey, sometimes things don't work out. Life is a little rough, but it's all good. Look what else I got to do, so it wasn't that bad. But either case, I hope you enjoyed this video. God bless, take care, see you again.